Okay, now this looks like a lot, but it's just really good practice of adding tens. I just want you to think about it as just adding the first number and then adding a 0. So 4 plus 3 is 7, and I add a 0. Okay, 1 plus 5 is 6, and I add a 0. 2 plus 2 is super easy. We know that one, boys and girls. What is it? 4, and add a 0. And there's another doubles. 3 plus 3 is 6. Add the 0. And now this next one is adding 0, so we just leave that one the same because anything added to 0 just stays the same. What about 8 and 2? What strategy would you use for that one? Yep, those are 10 friends, and then I just add a 0. This next one is 1 plus 7. 1 more than 7 is 8, and a 0. 4 plus 4, 8 and a 0. What's 3 plus 2? That's 5 with a 0. Good. We will do one more row together, and then I want you to finish the rest on your own. That's the you do part, so you can show your teacher that you know how to do this. Okay? 5 plus 10 is 60. So 6 plus 4 is 10, and then another 0 is 100. 0 plus 30 is 30. Okay, now do you see the rest of those problems? I want you to do those ones on your own and then turn it into your teacher so we can double check that you're able to do this adding of tens. Hi, my friends. Please write your name at the top. Okay, we're doing more of counting on with tens to add. So we have to figure out the first number and then add it to the second number. So the first one is done for you. It's 52 plus 10 equals 62. So the ones stay the same. We're just basically counting the tens. So this first number here is 1, 4. So it's 14 plus 10. So now I have this 10 and this 10. So I have 2 10s and 4 1s. So the answer is 24. Now on this one, I have this number, which is 25. And I'm going to add this one, which is 10. So now I have 1, 2, 3 10s and 5 1s. All right. Next, we have 43 plus 10. So 43, and then if I add a 10, I'm going to have 53 is my answer. So it's just like when we do 10 more, it's the same thing. So I have this number here, which is 39 plus 10 more equals 49. And on my last problem, I have 37 plus 10. So instead of these 3 10s, I have one more, which is 4, and the ones stay the same, which is 7. Good job.